I'm going to show you how to change a tag light in 2006 Expedition. This here looks like a Phillips head, but it's actually not. It's one of these funky little clips. If we can get it started, you have to pull the centerpiece out first. And then it'll drop down. It's kind of hard to get it started, to tell you the truth. See, it's starting to separate. So you pull that out, and then it simply drops down. You simply untwist. I took the bulb out last night so I can get the right one. Voila. Stick it back in. Put that section in. You got a little clip here. It goes in first. And you line up that one. Take that piece, stick it right back in there, and you're done. New light, working fine.